You deleted everything, your accounts, your history, your backups, every trace of you gone. You watched the progress bar hit 0, nothing left. Clean, or at least that is what you thought. Because your name did not disappear. Part 1, clean. At first it worked, no profiles, no messages, no search results. You checked everything twice, then a third time, still nothing. It was like you never existed. You refreshed your screen again. Nothing, no errors, no warnings, just empty space. For the first time, you were invisible. Part 2, something feels wrong. But the silence did not feel right. It was not peaceful. It was wrong. Your phone lit up. No vibration, no sound, just light. You picked it up. The screen was blank. No notifications, no apps, no time, just light. You stared at it for a second too long, then it went dark. Part 3, first sign. Right before the screen shut off, something appeared just for a split second. A line of text. You almost missed it. User activity detected. You froze. That did not make sense. There shouldn't be any activity. There shouldn't be anything left. Part 4, check again. You went back to your computer, checked your email, gone. Checked your cloud storage, empty. Checked your search history, nothing. You even checked old accounts you forgot about, deleted. Everything was gone, exactly how you wanted it, exactly how you planned it. So why did that message show up? Part 5, the folder. Then you saw it. A folder right in the center of your screen. You do not remember creating it. No name, no date, no icon, just a shape sitting there, like it had always been there. You hovered your cursor over it. Nothing happened, no preview. No details, just there. Part 6, opening it. You clicked it, slowly, like you already knew you should not. The folder opened. Inside there was one file, just one. No size, no extension, no timestamp. Just a title, system record. You stared at it, trying to remember, trying to figure out when you made this. But you did not. You know you did not. Part 7, the system. You clicked the file. The screen went black. Then white, then black again. For a moment, nothing happened. Then the text started appearing. One line at a time. Status, active, tracking, enabled. Access level, restricted. You leaned closer. Your heart started beating faster. You did not type anything. You did not click anything. But it kept loading. Part 8, realization build. More lines started appearing. Location, unknown. Device sync, complete. Data loss, false. Data loss, false? That is not possible. You watched everything get deleted. You made sure of it. You verified it. So how could it still exist? Part 9, final line. The screen paused. Everything stopped. No movement, no sound. Then one last line appeared, slowly, like it was waiting for you to see it. User, you. Part 10, aftermath. You stepped back. That should not be there. You removed everything. Everything. You made sure there was nothing left to track, nothing left to find, nothing left to connect. So why are you still in the system?